Well, hello. I am so excited right now because this morning, as everybody was sleeping snug in your beds, the new monitoring and control course for the Tigo Academy went live. And I'm super stoked about this because it addresses a lot of the service calls that we get about the CCA and TAP. And it was just about time to separate the course out from the TS4 design and installation, which takes about 3 hours to get through. This one only takes about an hour. So I think installers will enjoy it more. Yeah. And I was telling the salespeople about this, our bi-weekly sales call. And one of the sales guys, who I respect very much, said, yeah, it's only an hour, Greg, but it's an hour for Tigo, and then it's an hour for this manufacturer and an hour for that manufacturer. And I get it, but my reply to that is it's only an hour. And what's an hour compared to having to go back out on site at $400 average truck roll to go fix something that you could have learned about that would have prevented that issue in the first place? Yeah. And I don't know, that's just the way that I was kind of raised, right? And y'all know me, my military background. So I got out of boot camp in September, October of '87, and started my tech schools to be a little baby sonar technician on submarines. And I did not get to see a real sonar system until I got to my first boat in December the next year. Okay, so the Navy spends a lot of time and money training us, just so we'll be able to understand the equipment and be able to repair it, fix it, troubleshoot it, etc. And I just don't know why an installation company would not do the same kind of effort to get the people familiar with the equipment that they're installing, particularly, like I said, when it costs $400 a truck roll. For example, we had an installer call. He had a site up for about a year. Come on, baby. Anyway, he had a site up for about a year and then called in. He's like, hey, the homeowner can't see any of the module level monitoring y'all are so proud of. And so it didn't take very long, but our tech support got on there, and come to find out, the CCA and TAP were never installed. And that's a vital part of the communication equipment to get the module level monitoring, right? And so had he gone through the course, he would have realized that. Now, we have some other content that you can consume on our YouTube channels. Matter of fact, I made a video called the top 5 things that you can do to prevent a service call for CCA and TAP. And we also have help center articles. Right? And those are really good to consume while you're out on site, with your smart device. And again, why wouldn't you want to know everything you need about the equipment you're installing to prevent a service call? Yeah. And so it's real easy to find this stuff. Now, the Tigo Academy, I know you got to register and then enroll in a course, but YouTube videos, help center articles, you can find that with a quick Google search. I guarantee it. GTS. Google that stuff. Yeah. And it'll show up. Even when you're on site, it's a great way to consume that content. If you get in a bind, you're like, man, what was that guy saying about this? You can find it. So I'll put a link down to all 3 of these resources: Tigo Academy, our YouTube channel for CCA and TAP, and then a list of some CCA and TAP resources. And it should help you out much better than my little Clio lure here is helping me get these trout. And I had somebody tell me, say, how are you even catching fish when you're talking? That's a great question. And I remember my dad, my granddad used to, hey, shh, be real quiet. Don't want to scare the fish. Well, now I know that wasn't right. They just wanted some peace and quiet. Yeah. So, yeah, little Cleo. Yeah, she does pretty good. I caught this 15-pound, or not 15-pound, I wish, 15-inch trout the other day. First cast. Yeah. So, if you go through our content, whether it be the Tigo Academy or just review our Help Center articles or our Tigo Academy videos on YouTube, you'll do fine. You'll be just fine. And you won't have to worry about that system. Yeah. So, any questions, comments, put them down in the chat. And we'll talk at you later. See ya.